Hello and welcome back as our journey continues from Cape Town to Kunene. So far, this trip has exceeded our expectations and we are looking forward to what the day will bring. We head further north and we aim for the Namib Rand Nature Reserve. Tok-toki.
Yep. Continue on tour.
Yeah, where are you going?
Going for a hike.
Tok-toki, eh?
I'm going to go do the 4x4 tuk-tuki hike route.
You got some water?
No, I'm cool. There's lots of melons. Sloppy bus.
Only you in the desert, says the sign.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Arrived at the Namib Rand Nature Reserve. I see another sign, International Dark Sky Reserve. The skies and the stars should be good tonight because the moon will set about an hour and a half after sunset, so there'll be no moon, so we'll have an amazing starlit night tonight. Not a cloud in the sky. We arrive at family hideout in the Namib Rand Reserve. We waste no time setting up camp and tackle the scenic 4x4 loop that takes us directly into the Namib dunes. The stark desert with its rolling red dunes that surround us is exceptional. This is what we came for, and here we are. What a great feeling. The Namib holds a true fascination for those that dare to venture in. At 55 to 80 million years old, the Namib is the oldest desert on Earth. And because of this, it is home to more endemic species than any other desert. Here, nature has learnt to thrive in one of the driest deserts by exploiting the fog that rolls inland from the cold Atlantic. Its 2,000-kilometer coastline stretches south from the Karunjamba River in Angola, encompassing the west of Namibia to the Olifants River in South Africa. What is it about the desert landscape that beckons the human spirit? Perhaps it's the stark simplicity that captivates us, the vast expanse of untouched, pristine landscapes, uncluttered by distractions. Or is it the silence and the solitude in these ever-shifting dunes and rugged mountains? In the Namib, the margin for survival is tiny. We are constantly humbled by any living creature that has evolved to survive. Whatever the reason, we enjoy the golden hour and watch the desert dreamscape, a realm where reality blurs with the surreal.
How's your day been?
It's been a spectacular day.
Yeah. Where are we now?
Probably I would describe it as one of the most beautiful parts of the world.
Yeah.
We're at the edge of the Namib Desert in the Namib Rand Nature Reserve, and we're kind of like almost the only people here, and it's this pristine landscape that we're driving through at the perfect time of day. It's warm, it's balmy, and yeah, you just can't get enough of the sense. It's a sensory overload, the landscape. And the sky now, all the pinks and blues are coming out. And
out of 10,
yeah,
what do you give this experience?
10 plus. It's I rate this as my number one campsite, without a doubt. From the scenery point of view, privacy, facilities, yeah, its location. It's hard to get to, but ultimately worth it. And then, yeah, all the life that exists in the desert. We're just doing a 4x4 trail now. The sun is set. We've done this loop over here. We went to the big dune. Yeah, what would you say?
What would I say?
Yes, Lady of the Desert.
I would say this place is phenomenal on so many levels. I'm just probably going to reiterate what you said, but the sense of privilege of being here.
Oh, there's some badgered foxes out there.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this being so close to nature, and you don't feel like you're sharing it with millions of people, and it's just very special indeed.
Cardinal Royslang come in, Le Coq Sportif. We got two stray badgered foxes on our left.
On the loose.
Check them out.
Time for coffee. Meet you on the dune.
I'm coming.
Alright, see ya. Coming.
Yep.
delivery.
Yeah, of
Coffee in the desert.
the best thing.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's your coffee?
The best.
Thank you so much to everyone who has been dialing down and tuning into our channel, because without you, this would not be possible. We hope you enjoy the effort we put into these episodes. If you do, please consider heading over to our Patreon page and joining to support us to make more awesome content. Or just leave a comment below, and remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never have to miss another episode.
Like a amazing luxury to be sitting on such a beautiful dune with the most incredible vista, with a fantastic cup of coffee, and with a fantastic coffee maker.
I'll always take a compliment. Our beautiful time at the Namib Rand Nature Reserve is over for now, and we continue heading north, still dedicated to reaching the Kunene. Today I swallow my words and we face some of the worst corrugations in Namibia. Our mission today is to enter the biggest game reserve in Africa, the mighty Namib Naukluft Park, spanning almost 50,000 square kilometers. In this vast reserve, we find our wild camp at the Mirabib Inselberg. Mirabib, which is in the...
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. We're sitting on top of a rock.
Ding!
And watching the sun go down. And Mirabib is an Inselberg here. It's total isolation, and there's these amazing plains going all the way west, and this rock formation that just protrudes out of the landscape. It's just spectacular. It's the campsite. Mirabib is an isolated granite Inselberg that rises out of the desert plains of the Namib, much like the famous Spitzkoppe. It formed over millions of years through volcanic activity and erosion. The bizarre shapes that have formed contribute to its captivating appearance. In Nama culture, Mirabib means place of the gods and forms part of local folklore. Mirabib gives us a glimpse into the natural processes that have shaped our planet and offer a unique opportunity to immerse oneself in the solitude of the Namib. And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please.
Please.
We value your
Support.
subscriptions. And
We feel the
support.
love, and it's a free way to support us.